of truth. Now, but I know it's not because of my mouth. What happen? I don't feel they come out again like that. But this video where I see for social media about I bet me I thank people when they donate for me, for my mama burial, and God go bless you now for me. In fact, I know if you pray for now. I know not how to pray for now. God go reward you now, bless you now. As in, no go ever lack for our life. Una wanna dey put money for my Nigeria account. Una no go ever lack. Never. Una no go lack. Una go enjoy una children go enjoy una. Now from my heart I say pray this prayer for una. And go follow in Jesus' name. While we're here, I see money for my account like at the time, the thing they surprise me, you know. About this lady we say one kill her Pikin, rejoice. The video go viral. If na Igbo people now they curse this lady or Yoruba or that tribe, I know verse. But Bini, Edo was Edo. What do I when I get a webona, even at a baba, area TJ. Una wanna call they cause that lady, Una all good for inside house. Una they can't beat what are they beat that Pikin for inside house, Come on, say, Mama, can I take orange? Who been wild, Bobby? Why? I dey lie. Una wanna they put una frustration for una children body for inside house because set up social media. I not to say what the joy talk now is good. I not to say that thing where she talk is good. I not talk like that. The yes so. But at all, I said do, una suppose come out even better. Calm her down. Talk to her. If she did do that Pikin bad before, she not do it again. She need advice. But what una do? Una wanna get children. I come dey curse her. I no support for what she do. Every ogun ogbijue. Get out of here. I no support her what she do. Who go support that kind of thing? What of if Rejoice can't carry her Pikin, her daughter, can't climb up? Say she want from up, fall. Or she want from up, throw away that Pikin. Una no go pet am. If una no pet am as e dey up, na say go kill you, Rejoice. E go just throw away that Pikin. You are going to pet her and say, oh, please, oh, nice mother, good mother, please don't do it, we love you. She will come suffer, calm down. Not be the same thing. Why una not come do like that? Una just see something for me, everybody. All of una come dey craze for inside her, something they do now before. Now you come out. You know what government I don't even see anything there. The only thing that you have to do to that lady is to pet her. Talk to her. She is going through stress. Give her words of wisdom, remember Zoe. Advise her. Now she needs. You think say for people come collect that Pikin, don't come train and wear past black person. Oh, you both have train person. Hey. Oh, you both have train Pikin, wanna forget that thing. Hey, they are more. I dey cook, my people. Illegally. Me no talk say, because say something happen to me, say make them for donate money for me. Ni bad de bayan. If the bad way, you give money for me or you not give, now you know. Yes, I go talk and the way it be. Now me be Mary Edos, the lady of truth. Una know how many people where they cause that girl? Okay. Omani yagbomo wa de gbani viedo, wa de gbero vioy. Best say one keep Pikin, she want kill her Pikin. Una come dey cause her and na she and that Pikin dey inside house. Police not there. Una see una life. Una wanna come dey address the matter. This girl, the judge, better pass that. Cause who want me? Many of una dey craze. Pikin and mama dey inside house. Una dey cause the mama. What of if you just can't really press the Pikin neck or go prison? Una can't happy away. Una can't happy. See as all of them just do. Make una talk for the matter. Make una I just look them. You don't do your own for finish for us. We don't know as Europe be. I beg you, make una enter house. I mean about her. Now God that they save everybody for this Europe where we dey. Nobody will finish for. Nobody. The way people see, if I not be social media person, if they never first insult me for media, I not go understand. People don't first insult me for media. I know the pains when they are insulting you worldwide on media. Now una do to that girl. Una de Chris, una self en wawa nene. Wama you say you dey do saga. You de Chris. It's not a good thing. Only one person head. Oh, agbe, the other one agbe. Let me know that money. Oh, money telebu. Now not say I said that Pikin fine. Now out of you get what that woman. What happened to her when she can't do that thing. Pikin, she do her hair. Una come the course her. Now only for live video. Make people for like and comment. Now they do na Pikin hair. If not because of live video, now not do na Pikin hair. I dey lie. So you everyone maybe has all major my food not born. Madam. Come they swear for the girl, they swear for the joy, they swear for the joy, they swear for the joy. What is Kpeme? What wa unaji? Omo ne telebu. Ma gba money wa o. Omo ye telebu. Eh? You when you dey cause am, bring your own come out for us. Bring your Pikin come out. Lule. Bring your Pikin come out. Let's see. Bring your own come out. Amalawa. You see the verse me so say I'm not boss inside house. I want boss. I want boss. What are you knocking at me? Have a baka. Na baka. No wago. Obi munaje. If una just see anybody wey just want do saga, una just go where that person dey. Una can't go they call. They swear for una own sister. You when you do that thing, you get mental problem. You know well. Because think about your own house, whether your house good first. Even though your house good, it don't say complete for person finish. Never. You cause one person after the other one will call. All the platform, all of them, all they cause this girl, this lady. You know, okay, one Google. Una come happy. This government for Europe, they say, make government carry the children. You see the way that girl, they train those children, they go. It better pass if Oyibo carry those children. Their head are not doing again. You go there. The children will come be like crazy person for social, for Oyibo people hand. Now I talk that one. For una to adapt na sister. For una to pray for una sister. For una to talk to una sister. Una carry ogun the cause am. Because una not well. My sister rejoice. Make I tell you something. Whether it be Mama Rejoice or now your name, I don't know. May you calm down. You hear? You be good person. I see her. You be good person. You get good heart towards that your baby papa. I see everything. I hear everything. You they send money, they go, they give them for us. You they send money, they go, they give that one. You they do. They can't beat you put. They can't insult you put for what you do for them. That is why you can't come out, can't do all those things. I know. Forget. Not be person where you do good for. Not be they reward you for this life, my dear. Me where they do give away every day for social media. The people where me they do give away for. Now they laugh me so. The people where me not do give away for. Now I can't they put money for me so. You see I say, not be who you help. Not be they help you for this life. So my sister, carry your Pikin enter inside house. Clean her up. Change the pampers. That Pikin when you go grow up, you not go ever leave you, mama. You dey hear so? Never. My sister. If you do that Pikin anyhow now, you go there for a head. You dey hear me so? If you see they do am good, you go see remember for that pikin head. Now so children be. You go say I beg as it's small, certain thing where I do, I don't go know. Now leo, now children are the get sense pass adult. Oh. Hey, you dey hear so? Me see and say you love those children, you love that your pikin well. Now wetin them do you, now they provoke you, they make you they do all those things. My sister, forget them. Forget them. Make just forget that man. Forget their family. Forget anything wey concern them. Delete them. You hear? Carry your pikin. Now that your pikin, now that one be the gain where you get from for their hand. You see as that pikin fine. Oh yeah, poto. Carry her enter inside house. Clean her up. Give her better food. You hear? Now small time the met that pikin